going through here. So it looks so cool. Okay, two meatballs. Gracias. Truffles is ready. Oh, wait, just give. Okay, let's bring all. Okay, free sample from the barbecue guy. There you go, you get your selection. This is the pizza bar. Look. Non-alcoholic beer. Very nice green area, a lot of open spaces. So I assume there's a lot of people that visit here. It's next to the metropolitan train station too. So all the trains and stuff would be going through here. So it looks so cool. I think I saw a train. Hey, look, Emma can get some fries over here. Okay, just Happy Meal? Okay, she doesn't want burgers and fries. So you can eat anything you want. Let's go to the... Emma, don't run around. Next to a train station and behind the back glass, you can see the train literally departing and arriving. I think this place is very similar to what we see. Some subs and sandwiches. I think this is not an ordinary market. I think it's just like a very fancy food court. Fancy food court. Let's go walk all the whole thing, please. This part is desserts. So it's a food market. Everything's pretty much pre-cooked and ready to be served. This is the pizza bar. Looks delicious. And then this one is the gelato bar. And what is this area right here? Train station, deposit luggage. So another train station. It goes to the Fumicelli airport. So this is an express train station that leads you to the airport. It's no wonder it looks so fancy, huh? It's the airport train. Okay. It's a wine bar. Yeah, lots of yummy food here, so a must stop by place if you're ever to visit Rome. You have to stop by the Central Market to check out all their fancy food. And then this one sells you the dry-aged steaks right here. And some delicious cuts of bacons and sausage. Dry-aged meats. We have a couple of these markets in our hometown in the U.S. and they all try to do a good job of trying to replicate this scene right here. So, all right, can't wait to finish filming and start eating. See what else is in here. So that's a big bar in the middle. Service. This place is very hip and modern. It's I think in Rome there's a couple of markets like this. I think there's another one that's called Testados Market, which is an old school kind of market. I think if we have time tomorrow, I will stop by Testados to see the difference between this modern market, food market, and then that Testados old school market. So I will try to squeeze 2 trips to the market this time. Wish me luck if I can wake up early in time. Oh, wood fire pizza. Wood fire pizza. And then back to the French fry place that we first saw. Nice. She's American. Serve American. And here's some fried food place. All sorts of fried products. And then pasta. You want to buy some pasta, you can go here. And they'll serve it right here for you. Cook up the pasta for you. That looks good. I might eat that. And then I think this looks familiar here. Something from America. Or American inspired, some barbecued chicken and ribs, rice. I think when you buy here, you have to pay at a certain location and then show them your receipt, I believe. Actually, no, you just pay at every counter and then show them the receipt. Some more desserts here. Let me go upstairs, see what's up there. Okay, so this is the bathroom. Oh no, bathroom's in the back. This is just a private restaurant eating area. Extra seating, maybe. Extra dining area. Yeah, so if you didn't have any space to sit out in the ground floor, I think you climb this ladder to go up there and eat. Extra seatings. Lots of extra seating up here. Bars everywhere too, serving coffee, liquor, wine, beer. It's a big drinking culture here. I see bars everywhere I go. Seems like people love getting drunk here. And awakened by cappuccino. One or the other. Alcohol by night and coffee by day. You need the two hand in hand. Or maybe at the same time. I never tried it at the same time. Drinking coffee and alcohol at the same time. There you go, you get your selection. Whatever you want to eat. What do you end up getting?
This is mom's ordered a fried chicken with potatoes and salad.
Sounds American.
Very American.
Fried chicken with potato and salad. Here,
Mom, this is American food.
I think she's about to get more of it tomorrow. She misses American food. We're getting American food at the Central Mercato. And actually a lot of food here is internationally inspired. You mean you have like sushi.
Fried chicken, that's universal.
And then there's like a lot of barbecue, sandwich wrap, different things. This one is Argentinian cuisine. Chorizo and polo and whatever. And then, let me see. So it's like an international market, international food court. So the Central Mercato is an international food court. Very trendy, probably very upscale international food court. So we'll see. This one is pizza, fresh wood fire pizza. Let's try some of this country fried steak. Fried chicken pretty much. And then you order a drink and the workers will bring it out to you, to your table. Just grab any open seatings you can. And drink wine, beer, whatever. Seems like a lot of people come on vacation here, stop by and just load up on alcohol. This fried chicken is pretty amazing. Super crunchy. You can chew it and it'll be like chips in your mouth. That's how crunchy it is. Yeah. Let me try the potato.
Is it yummy?
Yeah, the potato is sweet. Like a baked potato, but sweeter. It looks yellow, like the yellow potato. Okay. It's so good. Try it. Try it, Emma. How is it? You like the lettuce? Okay, let's open the top, okay?
Chicken ngon không? Con ăn cái chicken wing không? Ăn thử chicken wing không? Ăn thử cái này nó khoái. Wow. That's it. That's it, chicken wing. Chicken wing, no more thêm chicken wing không? Có chừng gớt.
Try that chicken. Oh, how was the chicken? You like this food? You want more of it, or you still want a Happy Meal?
Still want a Happy Meal.
Still want a red box Happy Meal, but you're gonna eat all the chicken you can first, right? Because it's good. Let's go buy some more food, okay? Okay, free sample from the barbecue guy. See how it is. Steak. Free steak samples. Okay. Thank you. Spaghetti and meatballs. Mona. Looks good. And then I think this is what I'm looking for right here. Some pasta fettuccine with some sliced truffle, real sliced truffle. Nice start by treating yourself to a nice truffle tagliano. I think I'm gonna get that, and with the meatballs too. So Contaturo Nero with black truffles, with truffle pearls, with black truffles.
Cacio e pepe, the cream and pepper.
Interesting. So anything you want with truffle slicing.
I don't know. I think that's just cream.
I think I'm gonna stick with this picture. It looks good. And I'm gonna get some meatballs on the side.
Good idea.
Dish of the day with fresh truffles. black truffle eggs, black truffle. So this shop right here is called Tartufo, and they specialize in giving you truffle slices and everything you want, I guess. So I'm gonna come back and order from here. 2 meatballs, yes.
Okay.
Gracias.
You pay together, sure?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a 46.
Okay.
Card?
Card, please.
Yeah.
Tap and pay in Italy. The best way to do it. No need to exchange currency. Straightforward currency exchange. No international fees and anything. And it's great.
Yeah, my friend. When it's ready, I call you with the number 54.
Oh, 54. Okay.
Sorry.
No, sorry. Thank you.
That's fine.
Thank you.
In 5-6 minutes in front of the kitchen.
All right, got it. Order anything from the Argentina restaurant?
Si, signor.
See, what you got?
Empanadas,
4 empanadas,
dos Buenos Aires,
Buenos
y
Aires,
uno chorizo y queso y
chorizo, queso. Okay, so empanadas and chorizo sausage. Okay, I got the truffle fettuccine and the meatballs. So well, I think it'll be a good pairing. It will be good. So next to every, well not everyone, but some of them will have a little stool for you to sit and eat right after you receive your food from the chef too. So it's a pretty cool place. I think my fettuccine is almost ready. I see it coming together. So empanadas is in here, huh? Empanadas came out faster, but what about your chorizo?
It's it's an empanada, chorizo empanada.
Oh, chorizo empanadas. Okay.
So we don't know which one's which. It's gonna
Okay.
be a surprise.
All right. I'll wait till my pasta. Or can you help me carry one of them, Ashley?
You got 2?
Yeah, meatballs and then the thing. I think it's 2 orders. I'm not sure if it's 2 people. I don't know if I ordered 2 or not. I paid $42. So.
You order 2.
I don't think so.
How do you order one at 42?
2 meatballs. Oh, 2 meatball and 1 terratoni for 46 euros. So the truffle linguine is 22 euros and $12 per order of meatballs. Yes. Pasta's ready, huh? All right. Grazie.
How many
And-
for 3? 1, 2, 3.
All right.
1 for you. Thank you.
Okay, the truffles is ready. Looks delicious and waiting for the meatball.
1, 2 meatballs is ready.
Okay,
Thank
2
you.
meatballs.
Bye-bye.
Grazie.
I can.
Wait, just give. Okay, let's bring this whole thing back to the table.
Who wants a random?
So the fried chicken was only 13 euros, so around $14. $14. That's pretty cheap for the meal. Big fried chicken steak and a lot of potatoes and some salads underneath too. It's a pretty good meal.
Ăn không như là bánh.
And then the Argentine empanadas. 4 of them is about 12 euros, so about $13 for 4 chorizo empanadas. Okay, can't help but start eating. Okay, so the moment I've been waiting for, I wanted to taste a fresh truffle. I never had one fresh truffle before, so I want to just take a bite straight out of it and see how it tastes. I had truffle scented oils, but never a fresh shavings of truffle. So let's see if it's something I'll be addicted to. It's like an aromatic seasoning. it just adds a new layer of aromatic. It's actually not as aromatic as the oils, but it's fresher and lighter. It's actually less pungent than the oil is. It tastes cleaner. It tastes more edible, I think. And it has a little bit of a soft crunch to it, which kind of gives it a texture as well. With the oil, it's kind of like a smell, a fragrance that you just can't tell where it's coming from. But this one, you can just taste it in your mouth instead of your nose. You can smell it a little bit, but it smells fresher, more closer to the mushroom than it is what the oil smells like. And then the texture, you can taste the truffle a little bit, and then a little crunch too. So a much lighter, fresher version. I think I like it. All right. So the fettuccine is scented with the truffle oil, something you're used to smelling or tasting when you're eating with the oil. But this time with the fresh truffle on top of it. The oil definitely overwhelms the fresh truffle stuff. But it tastes good, very light and delicious. And then get overwhelmed by the oil again. Great. Okay, next up is the meatballs. I think this is prepared ahead of time because you know this probably just needed to be heated up. I saw him microwaving it, so it just probably needed to be heated up. And then he put some Parmesan on it. So let's taste how they make meatballs in Italy. I love meatballs anywhere I go. In the U.S., all the Italian restaurant or even Olive Garden, I still love the meatballs. But let's try an actual meatball in Italy. Wow, I mean it's a lot mushier than I thought. Usually a meatball in the U.S. has some chewy bits. This one they use a more pure cut, so there's no fattiness or any chewiness to it at all. I actually kind of like the version with the chewiness better. This one's good, but I'm used to a little bit of pop or crunch with the meatballs. But this one, it's just too smooth, really ground up, like blended to it's almost powdery. Yeah. Okay, next up is the empanadas, chorizo empanadas. So let me take a bite. Argentine cuisine.
You might get the Buenos Aires empanada.
Buenos Aires empanadas. It's like a meat pie. It's like a meat pie with green pepper. There's a lot of the green peppers taste is strong, but the meat is sweet and fragrant, good, and smooth too. They use a very smooth cut, so there's not too much fatty bits, not enough chewy bits. And I think I'm just a fan of fat and chewiness, a little bit in my sausages and meatballs. So maybe, but overall, it's still very good. Oh.
Try chorizo.
So this one is the chorizo instead. Let's see if it tastes any difference. It tastes almost the same, except it has a different spice to it. But it's not as spicy as what I think chorizo should be. It's very light. It's a very light spice. So maybe Argentine chorizo, which is sausage, doesn't have the same amount of spiciness that I think from other chorizo that I've eaten from other South American countries.
No. Actually, we're going to the place on Roblox.
Want to try some spaghetti? Yep. Here we go. Let me get it for you.
That was part 2. Eat some spaghetti.
All right. How's the spaghetti? How's the fettuccine? Good? You want some meatball? Want a meatball?
No.
Meatball? Okay. That's it for this beer. We're gonna finish eating all this and then move on to the next scene. Maybe add some ice cream or something.
Cheater, I saw you. Pick his arm. Oh no, you won.
Okay, so here's our drink receipt. Around €8 for 3 drinks, so around $2.50 each for a sparkling water, a Coke, and a non-alcoholic Heineken 0% non-alcoholic beer. Not bad, very reasonable. So this place is pretty reasonable, I think. You know, a person can probably get out of here with a meal for €20 or so. Yeah, so definitely come to the Centrale Mercato to check out more. Grazie. Okay. Non-alcoholic beer. Oh yeah, very good. A good pairing with some pasta. For sure. Okay, this is what I wanted to do the entire time. Mix my meatball with this fettuccine and get a good old-fashioned red sauce on it. I was afraid to do it before tasting the thing purely on its own, but now I got what I usually how I would eat it. I don't go too far with my Italian food. I always just eat spaghetti and meatballs or Italian sausage in the red sauce. One way, all the time.
Emma, your fork's over there. Your fork's right here.
Oh yeah. Tastes different now. Tastes like spaghetti and meatball with truffle. But I think it overwhelms the fresh truffles though. I think if you eat it like this, you can't taste the fresh truffle as much.
Oh my god.
Wow, she went off and got some steak now. Mẹ dục ở bên kia kìa. How much is it?
That's 21 and $3. That's 27 total.
21 and $3 for the side each, so 27 total. So a steak dish for €21. Not bad.
That's a fat one.
Not bad. Let me grab a taste here. Oh yeah, it tastes like the sampler that guy gave me earlier. They definitely cook it well done though. I mean, there's no medium rareness or any rareness about this. It's all done, but it's still good. Very well salted. There you go. Emma, you like steak and rice?
No.
But you like steak? You want to eat the steak next? Okay.
Cơm là khô á. Cái ông biết người gì á. Ông Hiệp á, ông ăn, ông đói. Ông mua đĩa cơm, ông ăn không.
Wow. We're eating it up here in the Central Mercato, huh? About €100 so far for all these food. About four entrees. So as you can see, here's a recurring theme in Italy. No matter where you go, food is quite a good value. For 4 people, usually the bill always come out to around 25, €20 each, but you get really full. You get like a lot of food. So, you know, it's a good value, especially now when the dollar and the euro is almost the same. I know in the future, what used to be when the euro was twice as valuable as the dollar, so everything costs twice as much. But now it's almost the same, so you definitely get a great value for U.S. dollars here. You get twice as much food if you think about it, for if you visit now. But in the future, I don't know. Okay, cheers, and then we'll finish up our meal. Cheers.